The Timberline 4410 is powered by the Kohler electric start 30-horse gas engine. We've added a tachometer hour meter to the saw. This shows engine RPM when the mill is running and the total engine hours when it's stopped. The saw travel speed is controlled from the operator position and has infinitely variable speed in both forward and reverse. The saw has dual 13-inch edger blades. The top blade is adjustable from 3.5 inches to 10 inches above the bottom edger. A crank-out stabilizer helps eliminate sideways mill shake when sawing. This lumber return brings the board to the operator. It can be locked out of the way if desired. Our easy-to-use tooth grinder sharpens the saw teeth right on the mill. An extra set of teeth are standard with each mill. Our ruler and pointer system automatically allow for the blade curve and provide for precise control of the board width. Once the log is clamped in place with the spring-loaded dogs, we're ready to raise the mill to the correct height and saw. The first several cuts on this log will be to flatten off the top. With the bottom edger blade doing most of the cutting, the log is soon flat across the top and the mill has been lowered to begin the next series of cuts. Here we're sawing planks that are 2.5 inches thick and 6 inches tall. One cut after another is made as we work our way across the log. When the saw is making the return trip to the operator, it brings the just sawn plank back with it. After starting the saw on the next cut, the operator can stack the just sawn piece, optimizing production. Once again, the mill is lowered to position it for the next series of cuts. Each end of the mill has its own gearbox, allowing for precise positioning of the saw. Now we're starting another layer across the log. Let's follow the mill as it makes a complete sawing pass. We continue the cutting and will soon reach the far edge of the log. One more layer of boards after this one and we'll be ready for the next log. We thank you for this opportunity to demonstrate the Model 4410 for you. We hope you'll consider how this sawmill could fit into your lumber cutting needs.